still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, man? What you running here?
2 Sundown XD2 chains, 6-order seller, going with 5K, and the Sundown SFB 200 for the mids, and another one for the highs.
Yes, sir.
That's on DFT.
Yes, sir. Looking good.
30 amp hour.
You can let the seats up, can't you?
Yep.
I thought you could. I said, hey, look, that's a nice idea right there. How you got that?
Yeah, I can still fit the kid.
Yeah, that's the most important part right there. Go beef hill is over with.
I might not be able to get the stroller in here, but I can get the same part.
They can see it right. They can see it right.
When you ever
back there. You on social media anywhere, brother? Where I can follow you, like Facebook or anywhere? Are you online?
Danny Man Audio.
Okay.
On Facebook.
Okay, y'all know I'm tag them down below. It's good seeing you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Can I open the back door and get some video?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah, the door's going too.
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to
rolling.
this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell him.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.